Do you want to know how you can make money with Telegram bots for free by using HKBots and if it's really worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many have asked me for ways to make money with Telegram bots, and there are a lot of fake Telegram bots that you need to be careful of, but I have come across one that I think has potential if you do it with the right expectations. And in this HKBots review, I'll give you both the pros and the cons so you can decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and as far as I've been able to find out, anyone, like basically no matter the country you live in, can earn and join HKBots. But it is a little bit unusual, even though when you come to the website it looks like basically any other free get paid to site, but the way you earn and the way you join is not as most sites. So let's go over how to join and how to start earning. So when you come to the website, you can see that there are different options here, but you might just want to click then get started because you want to start earning, and then you're taken here, and as you can see, how you need to start is to click this Telegram bots, and then you're taken to another section of the website where you see they have these 8 different Telegram bots, and they are different bots, and you can open each of them, and which ones you want to use depends on what you want to earn. So that's important to understand that, for example, if you use this one, you will earn BNB, and if you use this one, you will earn Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. So there's quite a lot of different cryptos you can earn. Which one of them you should use, that depends what you want to earn, and you can also use several of them. That is not a problem. So you just choose the one you want to use, and then you could just click here to start, and you can then see a new one opens up here, and then I can open it on a Telegram desktop because I am on a desktop computer right now. You can also do it from your phone, and that is then how you open that specific bot and you can start earning there. So I'll just do that, and then we can see how it works. So I now open this Earn BTC bot, and this is the exact same you do no matter which of these bots you want to use. It just opens up here. If you have it on your phone, you can do that. You can do it on desktop, and then when you join first, to be able to actually get access to the earning methods, you need to verify yourself. It will explain exactly how to do that. It's basically a few clicks where it just take you again to the website. You click a link and then you verify. Then it also wants you to join a couple of its other channels, Telegram channels. So again, when you try to earn here, it will tell you, please join that, please join that. So there's a couple of them you need to do that. It takes a few seconds. If you want to earn, you don't have a choice but to join those couple of Telegram channels also. So, that's just something to be aware of. But let's now go over how you can then earn. So when you're inside the bot here, you can see, you can click here the menu to see, open the menu. You can earn, you can see that, you can see withdrawal, you can see all that. But I have just chosen here now to open the menu there, so you can see here what I can, and then I can earn cryptocurrency. So let's start by doing that, and then you can see then I get these different ones, and the top one here, that is a daily reward. You can claim once a day a tiny reward. It counts down now because it hasn't exactly been 24 hours since I did it. To get access to that, you need to do at least one other task also, so that's just something to be aware of. But you see the available tasks here. They are not a huge number of tasks, and that in my experience here is the same for most of these bots that I've tested here. So that's one disadvantage of it compared to many other get paid to sites. But you can see the methods. You can see visit sites, join chats, view posts there. You can also click this button down there, and then you can see a new like solve capture, short links. In general, solving capture, it's not something that I particularly like participating in. That's my personal opinion. Short links often is a lot of spam ads, so I try to stay away from that. But I can just go back here now. If we see the earning options again there, you see it's quite easy to navigate once you just get used to it. It's a little bit different than a website, but it's okay there. And then I can, for example, choose here to visit sites, and then it will show you like I need to go to a certain website, and then I just click that, and it opens on in my browser, and you can see then it just needs to load first, and then it counts down here 5 seconds, 10 seconds, sometimes it's 30 seconds. That depends on the exact task, and then it will say like click the button to proceed, and then I can do that, and then I have actually earned, and I can go back. You see down here it says how much I've earned, a tiny amount. amount. The thing is that I couldn't see how much I've earned until I've actually done the task, and that's one thing I don't really like, because I think that for example, when I see the task here, for example, now you see it has been added, but I should be able to see that here before I start. That, you know, that's how it usually is on any PTC site, so like where you can join by clicking. I actually do have a video about my top recommended ways to earn by clicking. If that's something you're interested in, I'll leave a link in the top corner for that also. But this is basically how you earn. Then you see I can just again go to the menu. I can see the different options. Overall, you know, not a huge amount of tasks here. Many of them are these ones: visiting websites, you know, clicking these short links, things like that. So not my favorite type of task, and they also do pay quite low, but in general, there are a lot of fake Telegram bots that promise all kind of fake things, so you have to be careful. And from what I can see, this is one of the few Telegram bots with earning opportunities that actually does pay, so it can be a way to earn. But before deciding if it's for you, we of course need to talk about the payout options. So when it comes to the payout options, you just go to the menu and then you just go here to withdraw. You can also go to see your balance, but you see, then you can see exactly there how you can withdraw, and you can withdraw via Faucet Pay or Pay Year. And if you want to withdraw via Faucet Pay, then it's a lower amount you need to earn, quite low, and there's no fee. But if you want to withdraw to Pay Year, then you need to earn a little bit more, and there is a fee. But you can't just withdraw to like any wallet, Bitcoin wallet, for example. That's important to be aware of. The exact fees, and this can of course vary depending on the bot you're choosing, but the payout options are in general Faucet Pay and Pay Year. What the payout options are, you know, that is, I'm on the BTC, like the Bitcoin bot, so that is what I can earn here. If I jump, for example, to the Ethereum bot, and I just jump there now, then you can see, then I can withdraw Ethereum. The minimal withdrawal there is a little bit higher there for some of them, but again, it's Faucet Pay or Pay Year. But if you want to earn a specific crypto, you need to make sure to open that bot and earn from that. So now I'm in the Ethereum bot. I can't withdraw Bitcoin. If I suddenly want to do that, then I need to withdraw it and exchange it into Bitcoin. So choose the right bot for what you want to earn. But overall, the earning methods are more or less the same, and the payout options, like where you can take it out to, they are also the same. Overall, I think that HKBots is kind of interesting because, as mentioned, there are so many like Telegram scams you have to be careful of when it comes to making money, and this looks like it actually is a legit way to do that, but you do need to do it with the right expectations. And it does not have many tasks, and the tasks they have are not high-paying tasks, so that's something you need to be aware of. And it can be a little bit confusing and overwhelming at first, but if you just take the time to click and learn to use it, it is actually quite easy and fast to do, but it will not earn you a lot of money, and that's just something you need to be aware of. And it's of course not so flexible, like you can't earn in one bot and then decide to change the payout method. The bot you choose is the payout option you choose, so you just need to make sure you do that. Overall, the earning potential is not huge, but it can be a way to earn if you really want to earn by using Telegram bots. But if you in general just want to earn crypto for free, and you're also happy to use like apps or websites, so I do have different information on my website about my top recommended methods and the most effective methods to do that for free. I, for example, have a list on my website of the best free ways to earn Bitcoin, one of the best free ways to earn Litecoin, one of the best ways to earn free Ethereum, and also a list of the best ways to earn free Dogecoin. And I'll leave links to all those below. Then you can go there and check that out if you want to use them instead, or if you want to use them in addition to HKBots. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.